Hello everyone, let's prepare this kind of PowerPoint. Now take a rounded rectangle, place it something like this inside a blank slide. Click and hold on the orange button to make it round. Now duplicate 4 times. Arrange the size of the rounded rectangle like this as shown in the slide. Now insert another rectangle throughout the slide. Right click and send to back. Select all the shapes together, go to shape format, click on merge shapes and choose subtract. Shape outline as no outline, shape fill of white color. Now insert a scenery or a picture from your device. Arrange the picture like this. Go to animation, select line from motion path, go to effect option and select right. Start with previous, duration make it 5 seconds, right click and send to back. Insert title and subtitle and then click on the slideshow to see your results. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.